guys, what are you doing? Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasriyakal. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate this special day than with a stunning yet simple makeup look that you can easily recreate. Get ready to shine and impress your siblings and friends with this step-by-step makeup tutorial that will add an extra touch of happiness to your festivities. So let's get started. Let's start by getting your skin ready. Begin with cleaning your face to make it clear and fresh. After that, put on some moisturizer to hydrate your skin and make it smooth for putting on makeup. I already cleansed and moisturized my face. Now I am using a primer. I am using Pixie Beauty Rose Radiance Perfector. It's time to move on to applying the foundation. For this particular look, I have chosen to use the L'Oreal Paris True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum Foundation. Let me tell you, this foundation is simply fantastic. The texture of this foundation is so light and fluid, making it a perfect match, especially during those hot summer days. It's great for achieving an even skin tone without the need of heavy makeup. You can use any lightweight foundation you want. Now it's time to shape my eyebrows using a brow pencil. I'll be using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'll begin by filling in any gaps with the pencil. After that, I'll use the brush to set them in place. I'll apply the brow gel from Benefit Cosmetics to ensure my eyebrows stay in place. For prepping my eyelids, I'll use the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. I'm applying it across my entire eyelids. Once I have applied the concealer, I am using my fingertip and delicately blending the concealer for a smooth and even coverage. To refine the blending and achieve a flawless finish, I am using a beauty blender, which helps me achieve a natural look while effectively concealing any imperfections. Time for the eye makeup. I have got the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty here. To start, I am using a shade called Libra, which is a soft mauve color. I am applying it to the creases of my eyelids using a fluffy brush. This will add some depth to my eyes. I am also putting a bit of the same color on my lower lash lines. Next, I am taking a darker purple called Hot Mess. With a gentle touch, I expertly blending this shade, ensuring a seamless transition between colors. Additionally, I extending this darker shade to the outer edges of my lower lash lines, achieving a well-balanced and harmonious effect that enhances the overall eye makeup. For a bit of shine, I am using a pretty shimmering lavender color named Cosmic. I am putting it on my eyelids using my fingertip. To make the shimmer spread nicely, I am using a brush. Now I am applying the deeper purple shade once more, employing it to intensify the creases of my eyelids. This step adds dimension and depth to the eye look. Let's make the eyes stand out more. I am using a dark purple shade to line my upper lash line and create a small wing at the outer corners. Next up, I am applying the concealer under my eyes and other important areas. Then I am making sure everything looks smooth and well blended by using the blender. And we shouldn't miss highlighting. I'll use this white shimmer shade called Supermoon. I'm applying it to the inner corners of my eyes and the areas just below my eyebrows. Now I'm using my Shiseido eyelash curler to curl my lashes. This helps to make my eyes look more open. Now comes the mascara part for my lashes. I've picked out the Too Faced Cosmetics Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm carefully applying it to my lashes, coating them to give them more volume and length. I really apologize for the unfocused clips in this video. I'm not sure how it happened. To set the under eye area, I'm turning to my favorite Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder using a powder puff. I'm gently pressing the powder onto my under eyes. Now it's contouring time for my face. I'm reaching for the bronzer in the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look of Love palette. This bronzer is very pigmented, so I'm using the brush with a gentle touch to achieve a natural appearance. I'm applying the bronzer to the specific areas I want to define, and now I'm using a contour brush to blend everything together for a seamless finish. This is an amazing palette. If you want to know more about it, you can check my detailed review of this palette here. Moving on to blush, I've got this lovely creamy purple blush from Rouge Bunny Rouge. I'm putting it on the apple of my cheeks and then blending it gently towards my temples. And now it's time for the highlighter. I'm using this champagne highlighter from Smashbox. I'll be applying it to my face to add a radiant glow. Let's give your lips some definition with a lip liner. I've picked out the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in shade MI Kiss. After outlining my lips, I'll apply the lipstick. I've opted for the Lisa Eldridge Luxuriously Lucent Lip Color in shade Spirited Away. This lipstick has a gorgeous plum shade and offers a comfortable and stunning finish. I'm truly fond of both the shade and the finish it provides. And you can see how lovely it looks on the lips. I really adore the lipstick's formula. To secure my makeup in place, I'll be using this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It works wonders to ensure that my makeup remains fresh and intact all day long. Now I'm going to style my hair and put on my festival outfit, and just like that, I'm all set and ready. I'm arranging my dupatta. I got this wonderful pair of matching earrings. And I'm done. So guys, this is my completed makeup look. I hope it will make you shine like the star of the celebration. As you have seen, it's so easy to recreate. Trust me, this makeup look is guaranteed to make you stand out with grace and elegance. Remember, makeup is all about expressing your unique style and having fun. So embrace this enchanting purple look with confidence and joy. Wishing you a wonderful and joyous Raksha Bandhan celebration. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.